Hello friends, today's idiom is actions speak louder than words. It means that what people do is more important than what they say. ॲक्शन स्पीक लाऊडर दॅन वर्ड्स याचा अर्थ असा की एखाद्याची कृती त्याच्या शब्दापेक्षा जास्त महत्त्वाची असते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ अ पर्सन सेज आय विल हेल्प यू बट नेवर ॲक्च्युली डज, देन वर्ड्स मीन नथिंग. Other example is, instead of just talking about fitness, Ramesh goes to the gym daily. That shows that actions speak louder than words. तसंच बोलून नाही तर प्रत्यक्ष कृती करून दाखवणं हेच खरं असतं. So friends, remember, don't just make promise, prove them with your actions. If you agree with today's idiom, then show it through your action. Press the like button right now, and yes, for more daily idioms with Marathi translation, subscribe to the channel.